So end of day 2 here in Las Vegas for Microsoft Inspire. Been a very different day today. Talked and listened to a lot of stories with regards to modern desktop within the modern workplace stack. I think 3 big things come to mind. Really the big thing as we really move towards this real integrated technology solution was how it really maximizes your technology investment. So if you think about the wide number of security solutions that it provides and certainly all of the other areas within the Windows 10 piece, the investment can be quite large if you compare this to individual point solutions. So if you start to bring together chat, file management, meeting solutions, device management, quite quickly some of those investments can increase and add up to over £75 per user per month. And so if you look at the Microsoft 365 product, in and around £15, it really does show that you can get a very, very integrated solution that really helps you run a secure business and grow really fast in a very, very simple way. And that's something I really learned a lot about today. The second thing is about security. Quite often I hear customers, I guess, discounting the value of security. They buy into the Office 365 product, but then when we start to have conversations about security, they talk about, well, we've not had security issues here, and it's not going to happen to us. Yes, we hear about them in the marketplace, but it's not going to happen. It's not going to affect us. And some of the big tools that I saw today within the Microsoft toolset really demonstrated the value of security. So I think really securing that device, securing the identity and securing the endpoint, they had some really interesting tools. And I think the biggest and most interesting thing was the reporting. So it really showed the number of potential attacks that business and the individuals were potentially exposed to. And the reports that showed just really highlighted the number of potential threats out there, and to show that they had an attack simulator. And I think one example really showed to be really interesting, and that was you can create a bunch of email templates, something that really resonates within your business. And one example was an Xbox 360 beta test, and this test email went out to the business, and it was surprising. A number of users looked at this email, saw the potential of them being chosen for beta testing, getting a free Xbox 360, and then clicking on this link. And the reporting that came back and showed how many people fell for this phishing attack, and therefore showed the potential threat to the business. Again, showed the value of Microsoft 365 in it that it can provide. And I think the last thing really, it probably was a repeat scenario and something I learned a few years back, but it was the value of taking something newsworthy and really marketing and taking your brand and aligning it to that. And I think here at Microsoft Inspire, this is something we're doing with Fusion. So we're taking some of the key events here, and we're trying to align our brand to them, and we're trying to take that traffic and brand awareness and try to push it to an audience like yourself. So that was a real big thing that I learned today, something I'll be talking about at our Microsoft Inspire post event called Inspired, and you can register to that at fusion.cloud/events. I'll be back tomorrow for day 3, and Satch's doing the keynote, so look forward to that.